Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So, Friday was a big engulfing day. That was a 1.5% move in the market. At least my fears of being caught out if I was trying to go short came true eventually. But for me at the moment, this has been a fairly strong bounce. And there is the fractal that we've bounced off. And actually drops a little bit lower than that. Sort of comes into one of these fractals here. But you see, that was the zone. We were looking at it last week. It's 5,200 basically. And that was where we bounced. So for me, we are looking for the next break. That is now a flag. And we are sort of back in the flag or the channel. So for me, this is still a very strong bullish setup, strong bull trend. This has been the A, B, C pullback. And now what we're waiting for is we're waiting for a pullback onto some structure, which we will look for now, and that should give us the opportunity to find something that'll let us get in. So the previous swing high is an option, but that leaves us a gap, so I want to put another one in just a little bit lower, and then we can use one of these and bring it back up to this 52.58 area. So let's get down through the time frames and see if anything else changes. Nothing really changes here. Nice juicy 3-hour pin bar off this 5200 area, and then we've sort of gapped up onto the, just want to get this exact, we've just gapped up onto this trend line. And that should be like that. Let's lock that in. So you can see how we closed just on the trend line. Now we've gapped up above it. So pull back into closing the gap here is a viable option to look for a long. And now nothing else much changes. So what we're looking for is a pullback back towards 52.84. For an opportunity to get long. If that doesn't hold, in other words, we don't get a pin bar or inside bars or engulfing bars off 52.82 is what we're looking for. And if we don't get a pullback onto that, then I would expect us to drop a little bit further. And I'm going to put a couple of these levels in. You just look, there's a level at 52.78 and 52.66, and then obviously all the way down at 52.58. So you're looking for price to come back, test one of these levels. You're looking for an inside bar, engulfing bar, or pin bars, and you'd be looking for an opportunity to ride this to the upside. I would be looking for a half decent swing trade, to be honest. So in other words, I want to see it come back, get structure, get myself in, get the stop to entry as soon as possible, and then let's just see if we can leave it for a couple of days, which while it swings, and possibly adding to it while it climbs. But I think for me, if you look at the daily, there's your strong move up, that's your flag. So a break of this area of 52.90, obviously it'll be 5300. We need to get through, come back, test this area, then get going again. So that's kind of what I'll be looking for. Definitely looking for longs, and would like the longs to come off a pullback onto one of those levels I've given you. Anyway, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.